Good day, learners. This is Sir Drix, your mathematics teacher. This lesson, we are going to talk about the divisibility rules of 2, 5, and 10. Are you ready to learn? Let's go! On a certain bakery, there were 230 Monet breads to be placed on a trays. The baker wants to arrange them in either 2, 5, or 10 rows. Would it be possible for him to arrange the breads? Can we divide 230 Monet breads by 2? Can we divide 230 Monet breads by 5? And can we divide 230 Monet breads by 10? Let's find out! Let's have the first question. Can we divide 230 Monet breads by 2? So we have 230 divided by 2 is equal to what number? You're right! That is 115. Therefore, in 2 trays, there are 115 Monet breads each. Now, let's talk about the divisibility rule of 2. If a number is an even number, or a number that ends in digits 2, 4, 6, 8, including 0, it is always divisible by 2. Examples are 32, 18, 74, 90. Now, let's have a simple exercises about the divisibility rule of 2. Tell if the number is divisible by 2 or not. Is number 15 divisible by 2? You're right! Number 15 is not divisible by 2. Is number 70 divisible by 2? You're right! Number 70 is divisible by 2. Is number 36 divisible by 2? Excellent! Number 36 is divisible by 2. Is number 292 is divisible by 2? You're right! 292 is divisible by 2. Excellent, learners! Now you know the divisibility rules of 2. Now you know if a number is divisible by 2. Let's go back to our problem. Let's have the second question. Can we divide 230 Monet breads by 5? Let's have 230 divided by 5. The answer is 46. Very good, learners. The baker can arrange the Monet breads in 5 rows with 46 Monet breads each. Now, let's go to the divisibility rule of 5. All numbers that ends in digits 0 and 5 are always divisible by 5. Examples are 10, 45, 100, 65, 785. Now let's have exercises in divisibility rule of 5. Tell if the number is divisible by 5 or not. The first number is 35. Is 35 divisible by 5? You're right! 35 is divisible by 5. The second number is 62. Is 62 divisible by 5? You're right! 62 is not divisible by 5. The next number is 890. Is 890 divisible by 5? Excellent! 890 is divisible by 5. The next number is 99. Is 99 divisible by 5? You're right! 99 is not divisible by 5. Great job, learners! Now you know the divisibility rule of 5. Let's go back again to our problem. Now that you know the divisibility rule of 2 and 5, let's have the last question. Can we divide 230 Monet breads by 10? Let's have 230 divided by 10. The answer is 23. Very good, learners. The baker can arrange the Monet breads in 10 rows with 23 Monet breads each. Now, let us talk about the divisibility rule of 10. All numbers that ends in 0 are always divisible by 10. Examples are 10, 20, 30, 1,000, 5,000, 60,000, etc. Let's have some exercises about the divisibility rule by 10. Tell if the number is divisible by 10 or not. The first number is 90. Is 90 divisible by 10? You're right! 90 is divisible by 10. The next number is 204. Is 204 divisible by 10? You're right! 204 is not divisible by 10. The next number is 520. Is 520 divisible by 10? Excellent! 520 is divisible by 10. The last number is 6,704. Is 6,704 divisible by 10? You're right! 6,704 is not divisible by 10. Good job, learners! Now you know the divisibility rule of 10. Let's go back to our problem. Therefore, the 230 Monet breads can be arranged by 2, 5, and 10. Congratulations, learners! We solved the problem. Congratulations, learners! Now you know the divisibility rule of 2, 5, and 10. Let's have more activities about the divisibility rule of 2, 5, and 10. Are you ready? Tell whether the following numbers are divisible by 2, 5, and 10 by putting check in the table. Number 1, we have 6,346. 6,346 is only divisible by 2. Number 2, we have 8,000. 8,000 is divisible by 2, 5, and 10. Number 3, we have 4,975. 4,975 is only divisible by 5. Number 4 in the table, we have 25,680. 25,680 is divisible by 2, 5, and 10. Number 5, we have 835. 835 is only divisible by 5. Nice one, learners! Now, let's have another activity. Say true if the statement is correct and false if it is not. Are you ready? Number 1. 710 is divisible by 2, 5, and 10. This statement is true. Number 2. All numbers divisible by 5 is also divisible by 10. This statement is false. Number 3. 602 is divisible by 2 and 5. This statement is false. Number 4. Numbers with 0 in the ones digit are divisible by 10. This statement is true. Number 5. All even numbers are divisible by 2. This statement is true. Congratulations, learners! I hope you got a perfect score. Always keep in mind that all even numbers or numbers ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are always divisible by 2. All numbers ends in 0 or 5 are divisible by 5. All numbers ends in 0 are always divisible by 10. That's all for today, learners. I hope you learned something about the divisibility rules of 2, 5, and 10. This is Sir Drix, your mathematics teacher. Till next time, goodbye!